Look, it's open! It's in there. Kyle, look at your card.
You gotta read it, Kyle. You gotta read it. Kyle, you gotta read it. Who's it from? Who's it from?
Kyle, look at here. Kyle.
Who's it from, Kyle?
Let me read it. Banana. After that.
Yeah, read it.
Yay.
Look at me, you're gonna play with it right away. Where's that from, Kyle? Who's that from? You gotta read it.
I'm gonna get a knife. Okay? First side.
Jay.
From Quinn. From Quinn.
What is that? What is it?
It's from Jay. Recycle box. Say thank you to your dad.
Lori.
Can
you get it? To Kyle, from Kyle. You got money too.
Thank you, Nanay, Tatay. It's already open. It's already open.
Where's it from?
Saan sa atin, Mel?
It's already open.
Sa
No, it's okay. It's already
Manila.
open. Oh, it's open. It's already open. That's why it's the Lord. That's why it's the Lord. It's not Lord.
yung airmats ko sa Ilocos, yung airmats ko sa Iloilo.
Oh. It might be a check. There's 20 data.
Ilocos Sur.
It's a check from your college fund. College fund.
Kaibigan ko sa
Who's that? Read it.
That's for college fund. More. It's for Elias and more. Money.
I gave it. No?
Kyle, and Elias. Oh, thank you. Sa kanila lahat.
South. Okay, put them all together, Kyle. Kyle, put them all together.
Kyle.
Kyle.